I am confident in my ability to create the life I desire. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am constantly evolving into the best version of myself. I am in control of my thoughts, actions, and destiny. I am fearless in pursuing my dreams. I am a magnet for abundance and positive opportunities. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any challenge. I am at peace with who I am and who I am becoming. I am powerful beyond measure. I am surrounded by people who uplift and inspire me. I am grateful for every step of my journey. I am open to new possibilities and endless growth. I am aligned with my purpose and passion. I am a creator of my own reality. I am radiating confidence and self-love. I am free from fear, doubt, and limitations. I am disciplined and committed to my transformation. I am worthy of all the good things coming my way. I am a source of light and positivity for myself and others. I am unstoppable in the pursuit of my highest potential. I am the 2.0 version of myself, bold, authentic, and thriving.